Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Green, black, purple. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. It is the responsibility of each to know the regulations of religion and society. Focus on divinity to the point where identity is outside of consciousness at times. The focus on the forms directly manifesting divinity and the divine qualities transform. When we worship, we should respect the hierarchy and consecrate the tools. The without anxiety Vaikuntha planet is that which the lesser heavens refer to. Some children can accomplish what is done in years, in months, of surrender to the spiritual lifestyle. Killing shouldn't be merciless. Some spiritual practices can result in going unnoticed. Although known, the priesthood and the political class are responsible for the well-being of the state, and the lower classes are responsible for their beliefs and actions. False valor is shaming. Seek appropriate boons from the category leaders. Women and animals can be disciplined physically for their crimes. Government is for maintaining the population. The destroyer is most merciful. Everything of earth is meant for being approached religiously. Milk represents all food and drink. Ritual earns maintenance. Arguments and showy adornment are not the real renunciation. Limit how many sacrifices are made. Devotional service keeps the real self equiposed and upon their duties for their forms. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of the light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.